I am back with a Bath & Body Works video today. So excited about this one. I feel like it's been a while. It's only been a few weeks, but we have a whole new collection we need to talk about. I have 13 new little travel sprays that I wanted to go over. This is a fun new collection that Bath & Body Works has come out with for the new year. And yes, it's only in travel sizes so far. These are kind of like not necessarily singular note, because I think these do have more than one note to them, but they're kind of like fun, just simple scents. They're nothing too complicated, just easy scents that you can mix and match with each other to kind of create like a fun little layering moment, because we're all about the layering right now. I feel like that's so trendy. I ordered all of these on the website. We got the big box here, and I'm going to talk about all of the scents today. So let's go ahead and get into it. I know we have a lot of fun, exciting things coming from Bath & Body Works. They are like going crazy for 2025. I cannot believe it. Yes, I've heard the collab rumors. We will not be talking about that because we don't want to get in trouble. I still can't believe there is some videos out there. I've seen some on TikTok about the special collab that's actually coming very soon. But if I was you, I would probably take that down, because whoever they are collabing with is very, very strict. That is why no one's really talking about it right now, but it looks like it is going to be an exciting year at Bath & Body Works. We got the tropical collection coming out soon too, and that was a very loud car. Some fun Easter things coming. So let's get into these new mists. I did see that some stores carry them. Not every store. It's like testing in certain areas. So let me know if your store has them. It doesn't look like any are near me. Of course, you can go on the Bath & Body Works site, look up the scent, and see if it's near you in a certain store. You can just search by zip code when you're doing like the online pickup in store tool. But yeah, I just ordered mine all online. I've actually had these for like a week or two, and I'm just very behind on videos. So we're going to talk about them today. So the first scent we're going to talk about, this one is probably the one I was most excited for. This is their Toasted Pistachio scent. Yes, we finally got a pistachio body care item. And to my surprise, this smells like the Toasted Pistachio candles that we've had before. I don't think there's one out right now, but this totally smells like the candles, and I think they did a pretty good job on this, and I would honestly like to see this one in a full size if they tweak it a little bit, because I think it needs just a little tweak. I think it needs a little bit more sweetness to it, less toastiness. But overall, I think they did an excellent job on this, and if you've been kind of looking for a really yummy pistachio scent, Bath & Body Works has delivered. This is like nothing I've smelled before in body care from them, personally. I definitely think it's unique, so comparable to the candle. This does have a few notes in it, so it's not just pistachio, but that is going to be the main note here. We have pistachio, almond blossom, and whipped vanilla. And yeah, I would love a full body care in this, but like I said, just need it a little more sweeter, like almost like a pistachio icing in a way, because otherwise it could have been a perfect 10 out of 10. I definitely think it's my favorite from the entire range. It definitely has a nutty pistachio. It's like a true pistachio extract, I would say. And then you get a little bit of like some type of vanilla mixed in there. I don't really get as much like almond blossom, because that would be more floral, not really almond. Pistachio and almond always remind me of each other though. But this is nice. I'm excited about this. I think it's definitely worth checking out if you've been wanting a pistachio from Bath & Body Works. This is really pretty. Next, let's talk about the vanilla. This is Wild Vanilla. This one to me is extremely, extremely light compared to the pistachio one. I feel like the pistachio is more of a medium scent. All in all, I think all of these are on the lighter side though, because I do think they are meant to be layered, so they don't really want too much of an overpowering scent. So just keep that in mind. These are nice, light, throw in your purse, throw in your gym bag kind of scents, just to kind of freshen up, or to kind of spritz on top of your perfume or fragrance mist you're wearing already. Like if you want to amp up the vanilla in something, you could go in with this. And this is a really nice vanilla as well. It smells really good. I just wish it was a little bit stronger, and I know Bath & Body Works has had a lot of vanillas, and this smells unique. Again, I think it does smell pretty unique. This has whipped vanilla, tonka bean, and sugared musk. I always get questions like, what about this scent? Does it smell like this scent? But like I'm saying, I think it's unique. I've smelled all the vanillas. I think it's on its own. I don't think it's wrapped in vanilla. I don't think it's warm vanilla sugar. It has about the same strength as warm vanilla sugar because that one's pretty light, but it definitely smells just like a simple vanilla, I would say. A little bit warm, but definitely something kind of different, unique. It smells really good though, so I do like this. Just a simple little vanilla. Next one we have here, this is coconut nectar. This one has fresh coconut, palm leaf, and salted woods. This is a really nice fresh tropical coconut. It's not too sweet. It's not like Waikiki Beach coconut, but it's not super sunscreeny either. So again, this one kind of smells unique in my opinion. I don't think it smells like the other coconut scents we've had. Bath & Body Works does a lot of really sweet coconuts or really sunscreeny coconuts. This one is just more fresh, which I really like that. It's almost like you're getting just a fresh kind of ocean breeze mixed with a little coconut that's not too sweet, which I do prefer. This just feels really fresh, luxurious. Definitely something I would love to bring with me on a little tropical vacay, and I'll definitely use this one spring, summertime. It seems like something Victoria's Secret would come out. Next up we have Blackberry Burst. This one is really tart, fruity, a little fresh as well. It's not too sweet. It has juicy blackberry, sparkling pomegranate, and a hint of musk. And I think that musk is definitely kind of toning this down a bit, where it's more like a fun blackberry skin scent. And I do get as well that pomegranate that makes it a little tart too. The blackberry kind of smells like the same one that's in the blackberry and basil fragrance mist that they've had before, which I know a lot of people like, but I honestly think the blackberry and basil is almost even sweeter than this. This is very tart and fresh. Next one we have, this is Warm Tonka. I do love a lot of Tonka scents. A lot of vanillas mixed with Tonka seem to be some of my favorites. And Tonka almost gives like a warm kind of sweet musk vibe. On here it says the notes are tonka bean, warm musk, and soft sandalwood, which I'm definitely getting all of those here. When you first spray it, it's a little bit heavy on the musk, but now it's drying and really sweetening up. It's actually becoming really yummy. Ugh, I love that. It kind of reminds me of kind of the dry down of sweet whiskey a little bit. It's beautiful. I really like this Warm Tonka. The sandalwood's there like in the beginning, and then I think it's just kind of only a hint there towards the end, just to add a little depth to it, but this is really, really nice. I like that a lot. Okay, I really like this one too. This is Zesty Peach. I love a good peach scent, and I feel like I've been waiting for Bath & Body Works to come out with like the perfect peach scent. I think they've actually had a scent called Perfect Peach, but this, to me, is a really good one. It's still a little floral though. Not as floral as the peach honeysuckle one that they've done. And it's not quite as sweet as I think it was called like Perfect Peach or something like that they used to have. But I'm getting like a fresh, juicy peach. Not too sweet. Mixed with a hint of floral. This one says the notes are peach nectar, sugar crystals, and luminous musk. Maybe it's that musk I'm smelling. But there's definitely a hint of floral in there, which is kind of annoying because I feel like every brand does that. It's like I just want a straight up juicy peach. I don't want anything else. It's still really good though. Next scent we have, this one is Clean Musk. Ooh. I don't know about that one. It's definitely very musky, but I mean it's okay. I'm liking it the more that it's sitting, but it's definitely a little more fresh musk. Not really very sweet. I like more of a sweeter musk. This one does have cashmere musk, sheer jasmine, and velvet amber. I was seeing if it would get a little sweeter as it dries down, but sorry, I'm having to spray like all the way up my arm for these. Yeah, I don't know. It's one of those skin scents, so it fades really quickly. It's not my favorite musk. I don't know what I would compare it to. Like if you're thinking of Glossier You, that one has more like woody undertones. This one's almost like fresh musk, but it does disappear. I guess it just kind of blends on the skin a little quick for me. Okay, next we have Vibrant Jasmine. I was excited for this because I feel like there is so many fragrances that have jasmine in the notes, and I can never point out the jasmine. Like I honestly do not know exactly what jasmine smells like. I need to order like some fragrance oils and stuff, but jasmine never sticks out to my nose. I know it's really heavily in like YSL Black Opium and the Sabrina Carpenter Mi Espresso perfume. Everyone's like, all I smell is jasmine, but I'm like, I don't smell flowers, so I don't know. And this one, I don't even think it's a true jasmine in my opinion, just because, well, okay, I'm smelling it now. But the first time I sprayed it, it definitely seemed very fruity. Now it doesn't. Maybe because it's settled a bit, but no, I'm smelling it now. Okay, that does make sense. I can kind of pinpoint what the jasmine smells like. It's very powdery, a little bit clean. I don't know if I like that. This has jasmine petals, watery pear, and a kiss of vanilla. Yeah, I can definitely say I don't think jasmine is my favorite flower. A little too powdery white floral for my liking. All right, next scent we have here, this is Amber Suede. I do love a good amber scent usually in the dry down. They're usually a little spicy at first, which this one definitely is, a little spicy. But it's super warm. This has warm amber, vanilla flower, and sparkling bergamot. Interesting, I don't really get too much of the bergamot. I feel like that's a very like bright citrus. But I'm definitely getting like just, it's almost like warm, spicy musk in my opinion, is what this amber one smells like. It's really not my favorite, because I don't love the spicy scents. I'll have to see if that one changes a bit more on my skin. Okay, another scent note I don't love, sandalwood, especially if it's going to be mostly by itself. This is called Smooth Sandalwood. Let's see here. Oh, okay, not bad. It's not like super straight up like woody. It's actually really soft. I can barely smell it. It smells almost musky. It's just like an immediate skin scent. This has sandalwood, fluffy musk, and fresh spices. And I'm definitely getting more musk, maybe very slight hint of the sandalwood, but no. That's mostly musk to me. Like, I feel like that should have been the musk scent. Interesting. Next we have another floral, and this one is Delicate Iris. I feel like iris is not a scent I get a lot in fragrances. Okay, this one's like really sweet. Is that normally how an iris smells? Because this smells almost like candy. Now it's getting a little more floral. But I can do this one. I like this floral. See, I'm like an expert in gourmand notes, but when it comes to flowers, like oftentimes I cannot tell you the difference between flowers unless it's like rose or gardenia. Those I'm pretty good at. But like a lot of the other florals I just get confused with. But yeah, I don't hate this one. It's actually pretty sweet. It has gilded iris, a touch of rose, and caramel musk. So it must be that caramel musk really sweetening it up. But yeah, this is very candy-like. I like that one. Next that we have, this one is Oceanside Splash. So they literally have a little bit of everything for everybody. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is really pretty. I love aquatic scents, and this one is slightly sweet too. This reminds me of something. For some reason it was reminding me of Indigo Dreams a little bit, if you guys remember that one. This one is very faint though, really clean, little bit watery. I really like that one though, but again, it's very light, almost skin-like. Alright, lastly, I feel like this one I'm probably not gonna like. It has cedar. This is Velvet Cedar. Cedarwood is one of my least favorite notes, so let's see what we think. Not terrible. It's a little bit light at first, but I think it has to sit for a minute. I'm getting spiciness from this, like spicy woody. Ugh, I don't like it. This has rich cedarwood, warm chamomile, and crystallized sugarcane. I feel like my nose is burning right now from all the alcohol in these. Yeah, I don't know. It's not like super woody again. I'm just getting something that's a little bit spicy. It's like a hint sweet from the crystals. But this is definitely not for me. But I'm getting so much alcohol with this spray. So that was my thoughts on all 13 of these new little mini mists. Let me know if you guys have tried these. What do you think so far? I definitely think they are pretty much on the light side, which is to be expected, since yeah, they seem to be just more kind of layerable scents that you can add a little bit of this, a little bit of that to spice up some of your fragrances. It's really fun, like to even mix and match like Bath and Body Works sprays with your everyday perfumes. And yeah, I think it's a really cute idea. Normally I probably wouldn't buy too many of these. I would just buy like a couple of my favorites. Like I did buy them all to review, but if it was me, I would definitely be picking up the Toasted Pistachio, just because these are the scents I like. You know, I love my sweet scents. I really like the Wild Vanilla. These are probably my top two. The rest I'm kind of like, they're okay. I don't necessarily need them in my life. Oh, I guess the Tonka one too I did really enjoy. I don't know if these will be coming to all stores soon. I don't know why they were showing up in test stores or are only online right now. I'm sure most stores will get them eventually. Probably kind of like how when the Everyday Luxuries originally came out, they had those at certain test locations too. But yeah, I don't think any stores in Iowa have these out that I've noticed. But yeah, that is it for this video. I do want to mention, as I was browsing all these little minis to get the scent notes, I did see that they already do have the tropical minis on the website. I don't think they have the full sizes yet, but yeah, they have just the everyday tropical ones. I haven't seen any new ones yet. I think I saw like Waikiki Beach Coconut, Pink Pineapple Sunrise was on there as well. They even have Sweet Carrot Cake from the Easter line in some body care too, which I think they did that last year, right? Or was that only in a candle? I don't know, but I'll have to go ahead and pick some of those up soon. I mean, I'm probably going to skip the tropical collection unless they do come out with something new, because it's just the same every time. But we'll see when this new collab is coming. I'm definitely interested in that. I did pick up the Everyday Luxuries in the perfumes, like the big perfumes. If you guys want a video on that, let me know. But I'm gonna let you guys go. Thanks for watching. If you guys have tried these mists, let me know which one is your fave, which ones you want to try, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!